Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how to encase boning. This is how I do it. There are different methods to encase your boning or to insert your boning, but for this I'm going to be encasing this boning. The boning size is half of an inch, 0.5. Then I have the fabric already cut on a straight cut of 2 inches. The width of the fabric, the one I've cut, the pieces I've cut out to encase the boning is just 2 inch, and I did cut it on a straight, just a straight cut. So I've gone ahead to do one. So for you to actually know where you're going to be placing the boning, you need to you need to mark that area. I've done that on, that's what you see me, I've done that already. I've marked the places where I want the boning to be. Then I also measure the sizes of the boning that I'll be needing, and then ensuring that your boning does not get to the sewing area, like you leave of 0.5 inch above and underneath, so that it won't go in the way of your sewing when you're joining together your fabrics or your pattern. So I've gone ahead to sew one. Like you're just going to sew on just on the edge, then you try to wrap it. You wrap it around the boning and ensures the rough part is tucked in. You see what I've done, what I'm doing there? You tuck the rough part in that way, you bend it in that way, then you make a stitch, you run a stitch on that part before placing it on that place where you want the boning to be. So that is what I've done. So I'm still going to go ahead and do one more to demonstrate to you. You see what I'm trying to do there? You need to take your time when doing this, ensuring that the rough part is folded in, it's bent in. You need to fold it in so that no rough edges is coming out or showing, for a neat work, a neat finishing. So that's what you see me do there. Yeah, I've gone ahead to do one, then trim off the thread. So I'm still going to demonstrate another one, just on the you see what I just showed you now, just a tiny bit, like on 0.25, it's not even up to that. Just sew on the edge, sew it down to just hold it down to the fabric. Then wrap it around it again, just as the way we did the first one. You wrap it all around. You wrap it, just wrap it, keep wrapping it that way, and then you fold in the rough part, then you bend it in so that no rough edges is showing. So that is what I've done, and I'm taking to the sewing machine to run a stitch on that side. So you still need to keep adjusting while sewing it, because it's going to be moving, but then you need to keep adjusting it in order to keep it in place. Exactly what you see me do. Yeah, that is it. Then you trim off the excess thread. So that is it, that is it. Yeah, ensuring that the boning does not get to the top and the bit just 0.5 inch up below your sewing line and above down too. So I've gone ahead to place it, to sew it on. You see the way I'm doing it. Yeah, the boning is not getting to the down parts where I'll be attaching it to the base, to the skirt. So you take the other side too, turn it around, and then sew it on. So I'll go ahead and do the rest. I'll go ahead and do the remaining, and then we'll show you the end results. So thanks for watching. Please like and comment if this video is helpful. If you find it helpful, kindly like and share.